Disposal of used cooking oil is often a problem for the public as well as the food industry, which is the largest consumer. Today, studies and development discovers a new method to utilize it from being a waste material to an evaluator of economic factors, which is biofuel. You might question, what is biofuel? Biofuel is a cleaner burning fuel produced from used vegetable or animal-based oils, making it a more sustainable form of fuel for existing infrastructure, fueling stations, land, water, and air vehicles. Yes, aeroplanes too can operate with biofuel from your used cooking oil. So, why biofuel? Biofuel is used to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, which is the main factor of global warming. Number 2, it works as a renewable alternative to fossil fuel because it emits 88% less carbon dioxide. Number 3, it reduces the impact of greenhouse gas emissions, which is less harmless to the Mother Earth. Do you want to know how biofuels are made? My friend Aiman is going to demonstrate it to you.
Hi, I'm Aiman. First, weigh the used cooking oil with a weighing scale until it reaches approximately 500 grams. Secondly, using a hot plate, heat the used cooking oil until the temperature hits 65 degrees Celsius. While the used cooking oil is heating up, we prepare the metal side with 200 ml of methanol and 5 grams of lye, which is also known as sodium hydroxide. Mix the methanol and lye until it dissolves by using stirrer. After that, we can mix the compound with the heated used cooking oil for 30 minutes to 2 hours using the same stirrer. Leave the sample at 65 degrees on the heater for 2 days. After 2 to 3 days, you can see the separation of biodiesel and glycerol. A separating funnel is used to separate this compound, which is glycerol and biodiesel. After a refining process, we will get biodiesel that's ready to use.
Wow, Aiman, that's great! Thank you!
Okay.
If not in the sink, how should we discard used cooking oil? Pouring used cooking oil in the sink can cause clogs in the sewer system. Put your kitchen waste to a better use and turn it into biofuels that fuels the mighty aeroplanes. Do your part in saving our Earth together. Make sure none of the used cooking oil is poured down the drain. Recycle used cooking oil today!